Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, organizes your tasks, speeds up your work, and even helps you make better decisions. Sounds incredible, right? That's exactly what AI can do for you in the workplace. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we'll explore how you can use AI to be more successful at work. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, improve decision-making, or streamline communication, AI tools can give you a competitive edge. The workplace is evolving, and those who embrace AI are setting themselves up for success. Let's dive into how AI can transform the way you work. Number 1. Enhancing productivity. Powered tools can handle repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, organizing emails, and even summarizing reports. This means you can focus on what truly matters: strategic thinking and creativity. Platforms like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Grammarly help professionals draft content, automate workflows, and refine communication effortlessly. Number 2. Smarter decision-making. Artificial intelligence doesn't just process data, it helps you make sense of it. Business intelligence tools like Tableau and Power BI analyze trends and provide insights that help leaders make informed decisions. With AI, you can predict market changes, track performance metrics, and stay ahead of the competition. Number 3. Improving communication. Whether you're drafting emails, creating presentations, or responding to customers, AI-powered writing assistants like Jasper and Grammarly ensure your communication is clear, professional, and engaging. AI chatbots also enhance customer service by providing instant responses and personalized solutions, improving customer satisfaction, reducing wait times, and ensuring 24/7 support. Number 4. Streamlining collaboration. Virtual teams are the new norm, and AI tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom use AI-driven features to improve teamwork. Real-time transcription, meeting summaries, and smart scheduling make collaboration smoother and more efficient. Number 5. Upskilling and continuous learning. Artificial intelligence-driven learning platforms personalize training based on your career goals, learning style, and progress, ensuring a more effective and engaging educational experience. Whether you want to improve leadership skills, master new software, or stay updated on industry trends, AI-powered courses adapt to your learning style and pace. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that can help you work smarter, not harder. The key to success is knowing how to use it effectively. To help you integrate AI into your workplace, we've included links to some of the best online programs in this area. Check out the links to learn more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Explore more online courses and free resources at businesstrainingmedia.com. Click on the video on the screen to watch our next AI video. Thanks for watching.